30 days of government's arrogance, misreading of doctors' protest and political blame game, Mamata Banerjee finally met angry and protesting doctors, not as a chief minister of the state, but as their Didi. On 14th of September, Mamata Banerjee walked an extra mile. She reached out to the doctors, went to their protest site and assured them that the chief minister's post was not a big deal.
আমি মুখ্যমন্ত্রী নই, আমি মুখ্যমন্ত্রী হিসেবে বলতে আসিনি। আমি আপনাদের দিদি হিসেবে বলতে এসেছি।
She stated that the post of Manush, meaning that of people, is one that matters. With this latest move, she finally played the Manush masterstroke. But the question is, why did it take over a month for the astute politician to play the right card? For over 30 days now, medical professionals have been out on the street, protesting after a 31-year-old trainee doctor was raped and murdered at RG Kar Medical Hospital and College. A semi-naked body was found inside the seminar hall of the hospital. How could a politician who came to power with padyatras and dharnas let the crisis continue for such a long time? Well, that is because many believe that Mamata Banerjee had erred in diagnosing the problem. She mistook people's anger for political plotting. That was evident when she blamed BAM and RAM, meaning the left and the BJP, for the statewide protest. It is also likely that the West Bengal's chief minister was in a state of denial. She probably found it difficult to believe that the massive demonstrations and protests were against her government. Mamata Banerjee's government has been accused of covering up the incident and protecting the accused, including the principal. Why? Well, because the ex-principal of RG Kar Hospital was given charge of another major government hospital within hours of his resignation. After no serious action and political blame game for days, Mamata Banerjee was seen in action, but not how the citizens expected her. She took out protest marches demanding justice for the trainee doctor who was raped and murdered. Many called out the chief minister for her action. This is because Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is also the health and the home minister of the state. Her taking out protest marches demanding justice for the trainee doctor in a state where her own party is in power raised several eyebrows. Mamata Banerjee then even tried to lie low in the hope that the protesting doctors would tire themselves out. But again, she misjudged the energy of youth and the angst of people. Many believe that Mamata Banerjee failed to recognize that it was people's agitation despite all the signs being there. She also tried to turn the tables unsuccessfully on the protesting doctors by blaming them for the deaths of 29 people due to disruption in medical services. Then Mamata Banerjee tried to play the emotional card. A few days ago, the West Bengal's chief minister announced her willingness to resign from her post amid pressure from the protesters.
এমনকি নিজে পদত্যাগ করতেও রাজি আছি। আমার মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর পদ চাই না, কিন্তু আমি চাই মানুষ বিচার পাক, তিলোত্তমা বিচার পাক আর সাধারণ মানুষ চিকিৎসা পাক।
This also came days after the government called the protesting doctors for meetings, but the meetings could not happen. The last roll of the dice of a political play was this. This picture of Chief Minister waiting in an empty hall to meet the protesters. Mamata Banerjee stated that she waited for over 2 hours, yet the protesters did not show up. The result wasn't what she expected. The photo of waiting chief minister did not melt hearts. Instead, it was turned into memes. Mamata Banerjee's plan had failed. There was still no public pressure building on the protesting doctors. Instead, the support for doctors only grew. With no options left and what seemed like a final attempt, Mamata Banerjee, also known as Didi for most people in West Bengal, walked to the protest site outside Swasthya Bhavan, where junior doctors have been camping since 10th of September. Mamata Banerjee tried to reconnect with the protesters, telling them how she knew the pain they were going through as she too had risen from the students' movement. She also tried to be the protesters' partner in pain. She invited the junior doctors to her Kalighat home, not the secretariat, for talks, and the protesters agreed to that. Next, well this. Mamata Banerjee stood at the gate of a Kalighat home in rain for protesters to arrive. The meeting could not happen again over doctors' unfulfilled demand of telecasting the meeting. However, when the doctors stood outside with their demands, Mamata asked the protesters to come in and have a cup of tea. With this, many believe that she added the Ma, that is the mother image, to the Manush outreach. While Mamata has been humbled, she has also eventually corrected her position and used the well-polished People's Connect factor. Despite this, the protest is still underway across West Bengal. Medical professionals are demanding justice for the victim doctor. So far, the accused, Sanjay Roy, has been arrested by the police. The CBI is currently investigating the case.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.